On today's menu is a quick and easy chicken recipe with spinach that will make you really very happy. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. We will start by making a ginger garlic paste. Blend a jar out and in goes garlic, ginger, 1 green chili which is totally optional if you want to avoid the chili heat. Add about 4 tablespoons of water and blend to a smooth paste. Today I will be grinding the whole spices, as sometimes people may not like it if a cardamom or cloves come in the way while enjoying a meal. You can always push them to one side of your plate, but sometimes they don't catch your eyes. I have taken green cardamoms, cloves and black peppercorns. Give them a coarse grind. Pan on medium heat. Add a dried bay leaf and a cinnamon stick. Onions go in along with a sprinkle of salt. Fry the onions on a medium-high heat till they soften down and start getting a little color along the edges. When the onions look like this, it's time for the next ingredients. Add the ground spices followed by the ginger garlic paste. Stir for about 2 minutes on medium heat till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Now heat as low as possible as it's time for the spice powders. Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can even use paprika, turmeric powder, ground coriander and a little bit of ground cumin. Stir just for 2 seconds, not more than that, as the spices may burn. Next add the chicken. Today for a change I am using boneless skinless chicken thighs. It's a quick recipe, so boneless chicken is the best. Stir the chicken along with the spices on high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Then comes the tomatoes. Now salt goes in. Stir till the tomatoes turn mushy. Then I like adding a sprinkle of sugar to balance the flavor. Cover on medium heat for 5 minutes. 5 minutes done, add about a cup of hot water and again cover on medium-low heat for 5 more minutes. Five minutes done, lift off. The chicken has turned tender. At this point, I love adding 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Now guys, this is totally optional, or you can even add cooking cream or yogurt. Then comes garam masala powder and a pinch of ground nutmeg or jaifal. And where is the spinach, Bumbi? Here you go. The green beauties were waiting for this final moment. Again cover on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, lift off to unfold the moment of truth. But wait, here comes 2 more special ingredients that take this dish to that ultimate level of yumminess. I love adding a teaspoon of butter and a few mint leaves. Trust me guys, these 2 ingredients give so much flavor to this dish. If you do not like mint, leave it out, but please do add butter. Discard the bay leaf and cinnamon stick before serving and do a taste test and adjust the seasonings if required. Serve this with hot steamed rice or roti or naan. Please smash that like button and please do leave a comment or if you have any questions regarding the recipe. Bye bye.